Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix can't uninstall because the Riot Client is still running. First, you have to close any Riot Client app that is open, like this one. Just hit the exit option, and also close any Riot related apps like Riot Vanguard, League of Legends, Valorant, and other games from Riot Games. The next thing to check is the taskbar, which you can go to by clicking on this little arrow at the bottom right, and you can then right click on the Riot Client app and click on exit. Also do the same for the Riot Vanguard right here. If you have it as well, right click and click on exit Vanguard. Click on yes. And the next thing to do is to search for Task Manager. From here, we can scroll through and search for the Riot Client app or the Vanguard app. Or if you have Windows 11, you can also search for it so you can locate it easily. If you have it on your list, you can right click on it and click on End Task. After that, we can now try uninstalling. Let's go to Settings by searching for it. From here, let's go to Apps and let's go to the installed app list, which is right here. And we are going to look for the games that you have installed during the Riot Client app. For example, I have Valorant right here. So before uninstalling the Riot Client, we should first uninstall the games that we installed from the Riot Client. For example, the Valorant, just click on it and click on uninstall and uninstall once again. Once you have done that, do that for the other games, and after you have uninstalled the games, you can go to the Riot Client and uninstall that client this time. Now, if you still have that error, we can go to the Microsoft Store by searching for it. And in here, we are going to search for uninstall. And we are going to install the Soft Organizer app. So select it and click on install. Click on yes, and it should now open like this. And you can then uninstall the Riot Client or the other games right here. For example, Valorant app. Click on uninstall Valorant at the top right. You can then confirm the removal by clicking on uninstall again, and you can do that for the Riot Client as well. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.